my 6th episode, and to go with my 6th episode, I thought I'd shoot a gun that takes mega darts and it shoots 6. And if you can guess, pause the video here, and then when you think you got the answer, you play it and see if you got it right. I'll give you 10 seconds. So welcome back. If you guessed the big, ginormous, mega nerf gun, that's this. You are correct. And guess what? It shoots 6 mega darts. So this is the gun. It comes with a tripod. It's $50. Comes with a tripod, so it's really good for a table. Like I'm using a table right now, but actually I didn't get the tripod. So I'm gonna load the clip and get it ready to fire. So I loaded it, now it says green, so I'm all ready to fire this big puppy. You see it shook? It has a little kick to it. Very nice gun. Three mega darts left. Two mega darts left. Sorry. Let me fix that. I think I have 0 left in my clip. So, if I helped you today finding this Nerf gun, get it at Target, Walmart, whatever store you want. Today, only for $50. I mean, $49.99. That's all it costs to get this gun. Very mega. You see the bullets on the ground, and it comes with 6 bullets, 1 clip, 1 tripod, and 1 mega gun. These are the bullets. They're pretty good, and like me, I have 18 of them, and I keep them in this. I have 2 of them, but I took 6 out because I need to use it to show you guys. So, if I helped you guys today, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. And if you did buy this, I please really good want you to subscribe, like, and comment. And check out all my other videos. And I'll see you in the 7th video. Bye!